last video people have seen food chain, right? We have seen different types of food chain, that is your parasitic food chain, detritus food chain, as well as your grazing food chain. Parasitic food chain is also called as your auxiliary food chain. Grazing food chain is called as your predator food chain. Okay, if I want to ask a question, which is the main food chain, right, by means energy transfers from one trophic level to another trophic level in terrestrial ecosystem, so what is your answer? It's your detritus food chain. And main channel that transports energy in aquatic ecosystem is your grazing food chain. So these 2 points are very much important. Now what we are going to discuss? We are going to discuss food web. As the name suggests, there will be interconnection of organism for food, of course, right, of different food chains. Am I clear? So simple as that, different food chains इकट्ठा होके एक क्या बनाएगी? जाला, right? It's web. It's an interconnected network. Am I clear? And my dear students, ये जो food web है, it is very much important for giving stability to an ecosystem. Giving stability to an ecosystem, right? Why it is so? Because it offers multiple options. It offers multiple options. Option किसके लिए? खाने के लिए. Are you people getting my point? It gives multiple options for an organism to sustain their life, right? And this is very much important for certain endangered species. So food web allows endangered species to grow by giving multiple options for food. Am I clear? So have a look what definition I have written. What is food web? It is network of food chains, right, which becomes interconnected. Most important है ये, which becomes interconnected at various trophic levels. It is not fixed कि भाई first trophic level पे ही वो intermix हो दूसरी food chain से, ऐसा नहीं है, right? So it is interconnected at various trophic levels so as to form number of feeding connection. एक से ज्यादा option, जैसे मैंने आपको बोला multiple options for food, for feeding, right? So to form number of feeding connection amongst different organisms of biotic community. तो ये क्या हो गई बच्चों आपकी definition of food web. Okay. Now what we are going to discuss, its importance, its characteristic. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला था, your food web is more real in comparison to your food chain. So first point I have written the same, right? Food web is more real. It is more real than food chain. Am I clear? Simple सी बात है. No need to explain this. Food web is not straight. Very well you know. जैसे मैंने आपको कुछ एग्जाम्पल दिए थे फूड चेन के, दिए थे ना, zooplanktons, yes, phytoplankton, small predator insect, small fish, large fish, right? It will be taken up by crocodile, or small fish, large fish can be taken up by seabirds, yes or no? Yes. तो ये straight है. The food chain is straight in nature, whereas food web, as you can see, ये food web है, is, can you see in any angle ये straight है? No, right? So food web is not straight like food chain. Simple as that. Next point what I have written, of course, it provides number of alternate food to consumer. एक से ज्यादा. As you can see, this rabbit can be food of jackal or it can be food of fox. Am I clear? Any doubts in this? No? Sure. And thus this is very important. It becomes polyphagous. Why it is so? Because it provides number of alternate food to consumer to have. Am I clear? Okay. Next point what I have written, feedback points, feedback chats are present in food web. So if number of population increases or decreases, right, food feedback mechanisms applies and it keeps the population of one organism in control. Okay, so what I have written, feedback checks operate in food webs that keep the population of different species nearly constant. Am I clear? Am I clear? So feedback points are there which makes population stable. राइट आपने कभी देखा है कि एक की पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा बड़ी, एक की पॉपुलेशन बहुत ज्यादा कम है? नो. इन योर फूड web there is feedback checks, right? And this keeps the population nearly constant. Am I clear? And of course food web are very much important for giving stability to an ecosystem. Giving stability to an ecosystem. Am I clear? So once again, what is your food web? Food web is network of food chains that becomes interconnected at different trophic level, which offers number of feeding connections to biotic community. Characteristics are very important and easy. They are real. They are not straight. Feedback check, apply. They are polyphagous. Why they are called as polyphagous? Since it offers number of alternate food. Okay, of course to consumers. And lastly, food webs are very much important for stability, for maintaining stability of an ecosystem. Am I clear? Okay, dear students, here I have written two examples. One is of your terrestrial food web. ऊपर जो है वो क्या है? It's your terrestrial food web diagram that represents terrestrial food web, and this is diagram जो क्या represent करता है? This represents aquatic food web. This is your terrestrial food web. Okay, so as you can see, it starts of course from producers only. So here is vegetation, here is aquatic plants. This vegetations of course can be taken up by देखो three alternative source: deer, rabbit and mouse. This rabbit can be source of food for jackal as well as fox, right? Just say for example, if there is a single food chain which exists in an ecosystem, ये है vegetation, rabbit will be taken up by jackal will be taken up by wolf, and wolf will be taken up by tiger. Say for example, यही food chain operate होती है ecosystem में. मान लीजिए किसी कारण से ड्यू टू सम रीजन ये रैबिट जो है वो एक्सटिंक्ट हो गए. अब रैबिट नहीं है, राइट? ये किसका खाना था? जैकल का खाना था. तो रैबिट ही नहीं है तो जैकल के लिए खाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. तो आफ्टर सम टाइम दिस जैकल विल ऑल्सो डाई. आफ्टर सम टाइम वुल्फ इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू डाई सिंस देयर इज नो फूड. After some time, this population of tiger is also going to become extinct due to lack of food. Yes or no? अगर food chain ही होती है तो this thing will happen. But actually ऐसा नहीं होता. So देखो यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है? Jackal, right? Rabbit can be food of jackal as well as fox. Am I clear? Similarly, mouse will be taken up by fox and wild cat. ये टाइगर है वो तो सब कुछ खाता है. Deer, wolf, fox, wild cat. Am I clear? So this is multiple option. Number of feeding connection, right? This is what I mean by giving stability to an ecosystem. Am I clear? Okay. नीचे देखो aquatic food web. This aquatic plants can be taken up by small crustaceans, your tadpoles, your insect larvae. Small crustaceans are taken up by carnivorous fish. Say for example, roach लिखा है. Insect larvae can be taken up by frog and it can be taken up by water beetle. Small crustacean, एक तो carnivorous fish, water beetle as well as frog. Am I clear? Okay. So these crustaceans are food for these things, for carnivorous fish, for water beetles, for frog, right? Frog can have carnivorous fish, right? This frog can be a food of carnivorous fish like pike. Am I clear? So this is a bit complicated one. Of course, food वेब्स आर कॉम्प्लिकेटेड ओनली, इस वजह से तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं, वेब. एम आई क्लियर? So this is your food web, right? So by this we have completed your food chain and food web in detail, and I hope ये आपको अच्छे से समझ में आया, right? Please see, write this in your notebook and see what it indicates. Am I clear? So I hope the video is very much clear to you. Thank you very much.